Hi Steve.
Hello there, you alright?
Yeah, right. You brought your Toyota AVENSIS in.
I did at the weekend.
And you are a record holder now.
Yes.
What was it? Lumpy?
Lumpy, bad economy, really bad at starting at times.
Dashboard looks like a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree lit up, yeah.
Anyway, you brought it in, we did an evaluation. And normally the highest blocked DPF figure we'll ever see will be on a Mercedes, 400%. You have now got the record because it's 510% blocked.
Exactly, yes.
We did an evaluation on it. We found that your pressure differential had failed, and Toyota wanted £649 plus VAT for a pressure diff.
Yeah.
We managed to track one down for you, fitted one for you, completed the Hydroflow, a number of regen runs, and I believe we've now got that down to 12%.
12%, yeah.
You've been for a test drive.
Fantastic, it's lovely. Yeah, can't fault it.
All the lights gone.
Everything's spot on now.
Squeezing up.
Yeah, and a third of the price.
Yes, thank you very much. Pass the word round to your friends.
Sure.
Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.